Time.
let's go to where it starts.
Yeah.
Right?
Mikey Spice?
Mikey Spice did the Neil Diamond song.
Yeah.
So what we did now was a replica
Mhm.
of the Mikey Spice.
Yeah. Replica of the Neil Diamond, I say.
No, man, the Mikey Spice
Okay,
version.
yeah. Oh,
We do the,
oh,
yeah,
me attack.
yeah.
Oh, no, me attack. Say you did the Neil Diamond, the replica of Neil Diamond. You build it to.
No, just like how the Mikey Spice one do.
Yeah, yeah. All right, who build the Mikey Spice one first?
It was Wrong Move,
Yeah.
Kirk,
Mm-hmm.
Danny,
Now when you say Kirk, you have to be more.
Kirk Bennett.
Yeah, man. Kirkle. Boy, you give him credit.
Yeah, man. Kirkle, man. Yeah, man.
He's on a passing paddle and say, Phil, what I go on? I know
Yeah,
him
man.
say, Phil.
All right, sir.
What kind of Kirk? You have whole heap of Kirk then. You have
Yeah,
down
man.
Kirk, you have
let
little
me,
Kirk.
Yeah, man. So let me start over
Yeah.
then. So we have Right Move,
Yeah.
a.k.a. Wrong Move.
Yeah.
So we have Danny Basie
Mm-hmm.
from Firehouse.
Yeah.
Too.
Yeah.
You know, my Wrong Move come from Firehouse. Kirkle Dove.
Yeah.
And the late, great Dalton Brownie.
Yeah. Yeah.
Rest in peace.
Yeah.
And this guy called Ray. I don't remember Ray's last name, but he, you know, I played the pam, 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 pam. Yeah.
And that are the pivotal part of the
All
song.
right.
Yeah.
So, Light Campbell sent me that rhythm and said, he want me to like write a song on the rhythm.
Mm-hmm.
So I wrote the Sanchez song first on the rhythm.
But the Sanchez song, yeah. How it goes?
Sanchez song is I soon get to it.
Yeah.
But anyway, when it comes to now, Love is Blind.
Yeah.
Song is called Love is Blind.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe true love is blind. All right. So when I met the rhythm now, a Wrong Move me call, you know.
Mm-hmm.
I made a pen. A Wrong Move, met the rhythm. Right? So when I wrote Cruise song, me and Cruz write for the song.
Yeah, oh God.
The whole Lord.
Oh Lord, yeah.
Cruz wasn't at the studio when Wrong Move was doing the rhythm.
Mm-hmm.
When the Cruz reached the studio, Wrong Move already pack up and ready to leave. Because I'm not wait for some money where Cruz supposed to bring.
Mm-hmm.
Now, Mr. Cruz, I do interview, I say, that's why man never carry them hard drive and left a studio. Cruz didn't even come to studio with a hard drive. You get what I say? Because me are the person who I deal with the rhythm. Me are the person who call Wrong Move. You can't call Wrong Move and give him certain money.
That would be a wrong move.
You can't call him and give him certain money.
Yeah.
So it have to be like a musician to musician.
A
thing
link,
now.
a link, a
You
link,
know what
a
I mean?
link. Yeah.
So I record Flogan on the rhythm. Flogan is the one who gave Cargo the
Yeah, me
rhythm.
hear that part there.
So it never named two times.
Mm-hmm.
It was registered by Freddie Krueger in St. Mary. Drop the Bass.
Yeah.
You must know Drop the Bass.
Yeah, man.
Him registered the rhythm, can put out a whole album as Love is Blind.
Mm-hmm.
That is Sanchez song him registered it as Love is Blind. So all of the song that we sing for the rhythm after come under that.
Mm-hmm.
Chicago do the song name two times. Him call the rhythm two times.
Mm-hmm.
And then, you know, everybody start calling two times. Right? But the man who really made this second one, you know, because the first names that me give you was for the Mikey Spice.
Yeah.
Wrong Move is the one who did this remake. Bass, keyboard, guitar, Kirkle Dove did the drums.
Yeah.
So everything else is Wrong Move. And then the Hans
Yeah.
is an ex-police virgin in Live America now named Andre Gillespie. And do the Hans. Because when he come here, he come to do a cover of the Mikey Spice in the Hans.
Mm-hmm.
So I said to him, so I want him to do an intro at the front.
Mm-hmm.
Me arrange all of them.
Wow.
You understand? And then now the we make him harmonize it. Different notes.
Mm-hmm.
Because him play keyboard as well too.
Okay.
So, you know what I mean? So a lot of people now jump up and do claims and rare. It's not a Mikey Spice rhythm. It's not an Anthony Cruz rhythm. But me and Cruz really responsible for it. But Cruz in the interview now tell people like him. You know what I mean? You see, you don't really take nothing for nobody to talk the truth, you know.
That's why you're there.
You have to talk the truth. You know, and give people them credit.
Yeah, because it causes one bag of controversy because they hear that person, and then everybody jump on the rhythm.